In this video, I'm going to show the area model using a 2-digit by 2-digit number. So I'm going to just work with the number 23 times 54. And I'm going to show the area model just because I really like this model, if I'm honest. It keeps the work nice and neat in this neat little box, and then you just add your partial products together. And sometimes I definitely do strive for my students to learn this model as best as they can, but as I said previously, if something else works for them and they're consistently getting their answers right, then I'm totally fine with them using another strategy. This area model, it just helps keep their work neat, and if they use partial products or expanded form, it's easy to get lost in the math or to not line their numbers up correctly because there is a lot of lining up. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So we just set this one up the same way that we would set up our 4-digit by 1-digit, except we just add another row or another column. So 23, we expand that number into 20 plus 3, and then we expand 54 into 50 plus 4. When we make our box, we just have 2 rows and 2 columns. And then I write my factors up on the side in expanded form. And then in each box, that is what I make my equation out of. So whatever lines up on top for this box, 20, and whatever lines up on the side for this box, 50, that's what I would multiply. Same for here. 3 lines up on the top, and 50 still lines up on the side. On the bottom here, I have 20 and 4. And then on the bottom in this right corner, I have 3 and 4. And then they'd solve each of those boxes. They would get 0, 0. Of course, that's 1,000. I have 2 zeros, and then 5 times 2. I have a 0. Then 3 times 5 is 15. I have a 0. And then 2 times 4 is 8. And then 3 times 4 is 12. I'm sorry, 2 times 4 is 8. And then 3 times 4 is 12. And then I would add all of these partial products up together. Stack and add. 9, that would be 14, 2, and 1, and I'd get my final product of 1,242.